Hi, my name's Daniel and I work for Electude, and my role is a customer success manager and product specialist. Behind us we have our Electude mobile experience room, and this is effectively a mobile classroom that we use to visit our customers with. And what we want to do is bridge the gap between the classroom and the workshop. So we provide a number of hardware training devices that cover everything from basic electrical to engine management systems, and more importantly to the electric vehicle curriculums. And what we aim to do is to take our students from the classroom and give them an extra stepping stone with these hardware trainers. These hardware trainers allow them to practice their knowledge from the classroom in a safe and controlled environment before applying it into the workshop setting. This way we feel that we increase the students' confidence and they achieve better learning outcomes. So Electude currently supplies City of Wolverhampton College with their automotive e-learning resources, and this is just an opportunity for us to further build that relationship between Electude and City of Wolverhampton, and at the same time expose their students to our hardware training. For us, the end goal is always about the students, and this is why it's important that when we do these roadshows that we have students taking part in it, and not just the teachers. Obviously we welcome the teachers to take part as well, and it will also count for their CPD, but for us we want the real honest feedback from our students.